Mimenkuma, me try yenu ma bremo no ma anye bone. Na so obi ye bone a, ye wo twiginafu obi, agya no nkyɛn, ɔne ɔtrene ni Yesu Kristo. Na ɔno ne yɛn bone ho mpata. Na ɛnyɛ yɛn de ho nko, na mmom wiase nyinaa de ho bi. Na se yedi na hyɛde so a, ɛno ara na yɛde hunu sɛ yeni no. De ɔkasa minini no, na onni na hyɛde so no, yɛ ɔtrofo. Na nokora no nini mu. Na obiara odi n'asɛm so no, ampara ɔno mu na Nyankopɔn dɔ na wie pɛyɛ. Ye na yedi hunu sɛ yɛwɔ ne mu. De ɔkasa ɔti ne mu no, ɛsɛ no sɛ ɔnante sɛ de ɔno nso nante yɛ. Adɔfo, ɛnyɛ ahyɛde foforo na metwere ma brɛmo. Na mmom ahyɛde dada a moanya firi mfitiaseɛ no. Ahyɛde dada no ne asɛm a moatie no. Bio, metwere ahyɛde foforo ma brɛmo a ɛnokore wɔ ɔno ne mu. Sɛ esum twam na nokore ha no anya ɛhyerɛn.
Enya koko wamaye. Na so kwa ya.
Ya gwa di wayama.
Ki gwa titi ye ni a.
Makochi ya.
Niwa. Sita anyama se ekeka kwa ni ya yenya. Enti ya fa information for no.
Awe kwede o.
Wo mo na so ni ehuru bi akora ne wo.
Sika be da confirmation center. Besides idea or see a marry akotoling say any afedia one day. Me go show us information. Ska o yan kon so
hey
Fia me sa ko kromo bio. Esa busu me ne ko na prince. Me hwechi. Why?
This our time na one me and paper be fear say na che say wo fa na soma say mumra me seduce me mum plot mum black ni mail me kwa so me chimi anti o say ebo nso nsuo be yogo den nso na sha wona me no wakasa ka kira wo say me yam fa me ni agro tinta so to form emphasize me touch them emfa me no what in kanya kasa say we say epia bontana I swear to God I'll kill you.
Mommy Chacho Yamia I didn't know you had any same PM at the hospital. Doctor and cast me, you know, Papa, dear, never make I so. And Yammy fought me, kept a busy, so a busy, very much.
God forgive me, I'm about to kill.
So, me, Pacho, here's all guys. So, I need to that's all. So, come and say, what could you put me in? What kind of so I come so, I'm
so happy. We see you send over. Only one name.
Wow. So
thank you, God, because I'm about to kill. I told you last time that if you mess with me, mess with me, you mess with die. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah.
We are pleased with the video.
Oh, okay. So are you now? No problem about that. Okay, a minute. I'll be there in no time, yeah?
Okay.
Cool, Jack. Don't leave any trace. I will be back in no time. I will be back. Yeah. Alright, that's it.
Why grand never send me Abaku Papa in the way.
The baby grand when you say what Charlie and I didn't walk out to baby.
To me, them a question them, my quantity move you na as a bat a union. I know Francis saw a cousin, Minko Dam and as my horse, my co home. Oh. It's immediately me Konaka also by Nami to room them on Timmy Konamaka to us.
I didn't so your crown to me, Yoda. Eh? Why, Miss Row, whom me more bought. Says I was with Jamie Moore, many baby, many will be a walk with Jamie. No matter if I'm a banner. It's Miss Row, and Yami Water. Mr. Baby, I could be a dimachi. Now, me consume her. So I'm with school about how consume her a go. Omoko kujare hwe ade ba akoko esa ayeme amama kra no se me ba no nanse na na hu fa no tine mani abre na hu fa no na na hu dododo no fe ba chi no ete bia wokọ no yade na boka na chiri ama na koda ba bi anu na me titi o
abi anti so na no de sisi e pon ejina hai de anti ade e san o sa ade pressure
wa hene yanko wate
See, I no kill you. You know, say I like you. I could allow you to go free. So tell me I no go catch you for anything. If my boss will ask me, say, where you did, I will tell him, say, me, I don't know where you go. So tell me through everything inside. Tell me. I could allow you to go. I like you.
So how many times do you want me to tell you your boss is responsible for this pregnancy?
See, ma, tell you something. I like you, I like you the way you are. Now you are suffering. You know, say I betide you. You see this guy? I know if he take kill you. If he take kill you, no. I want you to tell me everything inside there. Tell me, are you sure that my boss will give you this better?
So if I were your sister, how would you feel?
Don't ask me that. If like my sister were at the two like this now, far away go pen. I could ask some say far away go pen. Tell me the truth. I will feel if my sister.
I know nothing. I'm very thirsty and hungry.
They give you water to drink. My boss give you water to drink. Now you tell me say you are tasting now. What is wrong with you? Okay, you know something? I will give you water to drink, but you could tell me the truth.
Give me the water first. Please, I beg you.
I will give you, no shake, but you could tell me the truth. I'm coming. Anyami, Charlie, Keniaba. You can't walk out and walk back. Catch a call you no German, no way, Jimmy. I kept no candy. Okay, bye bye.
What's the meaning of that language?
You say you need water. You say you need water. I will give you water to drink. Don't worry, he's bringing the water. I like you, Don't shake, Me and you do like Bobali and me. Drink, Open your mouth and don't hold it. Why do you hold it? I'll give you. Drink, Drink. The newest in the shop, catch us won't pay their man for brand. Why? When I go check, Memo, watch my school. What? My boss, who did be a man? So I am trade be account of that. Okay.
God, I knew it. Also, police in the police. What did they quit? What did they quit? Yeah, what?
We are afraid of what? Hey, come on, get up! Get out! Get out! Oh, Papa, that's good. Hey, find the queen, sir.
Okay.
Hey, let's go. You see, I'm a new wine and I'm watching.
Me, cool.
Check. How would you? What do
you see? What would you mean if you are me? Including Mama Yoa. You know, because I know I love you. I feel bad. I'm devoting and turning to hatred. And your public craftsman to me and baby. Mamma, call you peace. You mean I'm a gimmick.
Men call again, Kakam, one say. I say, it's me, a young man, I haven't known quite between your own woman. And come here, and come to say, in game couple police for no money. As some who can quite no. Those who see Cassam. See Cassam. Now, call report to us, Sama, won't you are so won't you are ready any young quay? Information I am a Cassam, you call me and quay. What's the Cassam? A police phone dear, young, a munisco. Nayan, I am a so, Yana, a coa, this you could trace Kansana, or Mark, I asked my interview there, young Quakus, you could catch you more. Ombe or Namai. Mati, Naya pencil, Bibi Hammy. Bibi Hammy, Papa, come on, Demi.
A common dimmy was a free crab beat. Remain was a free to me. No pessimism. I see me jack, common dimmy, wouldn't be our bottom. Like a faton so cramano. I don't know.
Fish we are nothing now, who's that? And I'm a pay. We are, and I'm a pay. Who come watch Morgan Calaway and also pay. I've used now so pay. Nina Matamo, you see, I was Miss Annie de Baby. The last one Ghana can I'm from my auntie. One moon who cry, one moon. Oh, the uncle do station, Mamma Topano, should be
offer. Oh, Quack, so well, who not sably? My trail was a woman. Eh? A dear bass, Semini. Eh, bravo. When it does one now, when it does one now, how could be a brawai?
I think you soon, this soon, and could be a baby.
Hey, me bay.
Until Numsunian Conumsunian Cona be a woman, Saha, who will be right behind the Numsunian co.
Young Quail Conam no co.
Until Nomian Conum Conamsca would be able to. That's a great.
Somewhere.
Whatever, Mamma, you're in your summer. Maybe I'm doing Sada.
Are they? Then I hope to be are they?
You see, boss, I'm pleading for mercy, please. I'm not a bad person. You see, as I speak with you now, my wife is pregnant. And there's nobody to take care of her. I am begging the name of God, Almighty Jah, to please help me escape. Because, brother, it's not easy. I am a responsible man. I'm not a bad person. But you see, life is full of, coincidence. Please help me. You helping me doesn't mean I'll go scot-free without, paying something. We have this family gold. It's a pot full of gold.
See. I don't ready for that your sakana way they do. I know you. You know say I know you. That your dress way they do, not me sack. It cannot work. You know I cannot work. So don't try to deceive this mind. This man has too much.
Please, I'm not a tactician. I'm a faithful brother. You see, so let's say the next 1.5 months, the gold will mature, and then I'll go with you and we'll take it. You will take, say, 80%, and you give me 20.
No, wait. Come again. You say you have good.
A pot of gold. My grandmother put it there.
You have good.
Yeah.
Okay. So you could give me.
Brother, for you to even believe me, I'm prepared to do a blood covenant with you.
You go do blood covenant.
So that you believe what I'm saying. then we invoke all the powers on this land on them. If I don't fulfill it, then they should kill me.
Okay, you know something? This thing where we can't do is me and you. I don't want any shakala thing where you go do.
I swear.
Because I know you very well.
You see, brother, I would have shown you the place. I would have done that. But because you are not that familiar in this place, I don't know how to show you. It is hidden under a mango tree.
I know you like your brands. Yeah. Don't try to deceive me.
Brother, I swear by my wife's pregnancy.
I have 9 over you. Now is you're ready to do the blood covenant.
You cut me, cut you.
If I do this, Chinefe, this guy, this is serious.
If I win him, your number. So, when I was shovel. Who was so gabo? Some say I say a residential area. We didn't have to tell me no one casa. Why?
So why here? Do you want me to be too long?
But who the bomb your wire bonnet?
What? Obetimenka. Me ni catch no. Name Obetimenka.
It's in Yakasa.
And no may be seen Tinama Abi will be a Juma on person a bush in Iben home. Me know what Nasi. Emma Mamma who say a Jumano, see Canadian Nuka so don't saka. Name Fasona Babasona. The opesa ye be a Wahasino, which me don't say there. Eka. Nessi say no catch them say, has a swati.
Grandpa, a debitor in Sue and petrol.
Gifty. She. Tino, honey, Juman and Tino, what it? If it's all petanco, mammy.
Sure. If we are a debitor and
oh, good. Just say one man, my bread. I say, me, dear. Anything I'm about, would you make up or would you make up with power to my home for something?
Say, men could be being Cassame, me do a chi and answer me, so was Sibium. Naka say, Sabosiana, me di when him, my ecogy, no. Say, bango for Naka. Omuji musika na musika no so omoje no kan hu ni se wo fie ni we japade na ebisi awa na wo me frew na maka kire wa
Unfa. And yes, a phone by. You call number. Me who call be ours.
Na dede no hu. De wudam pamu a wo ye de na chese wo be hu no.
Good. It mean twan tro da piece here women twan tro da. And you know it. Utu etwi.
I know they see you. Why? Exactly. What make you worry?
Honestly, there's a fire on the mountain. I tell you.
Chineke, fire on the mountain. You get police come.
Oh, it's far from that, man.
Even not police, who go worry us? Or any link we go outside? Nobody.
It's about that foolish man, Boat.
Boat.
That guy wants to ruin my life.
Which
He
boat
wants
now?
to ruin my life.
Which boat now? Tell me some
Boat, the one, the guarantor. He was telling me that he's no more going to support me. And now the bankers are after me. And we are supposed to work these things out before it is too late.
That boat?
Yes. He can put us in a tight corner. That is my problem now. So I was thinking of something. We need to put things in place so that I leave this country.
Baby, you know something? Say like you they say your things or you they brag your things. You say I choke. Baby, let me tell you something. This thing is not job for me. You know what I can do. Ma finish him, ma kill him, ma do one. This thing is show. Ma finish him.
Let me tell you something. To kill somebody is not the solution. If you kill both right now, it's not over.
Why, that guy is too much for me or that guy
is not the solution, Zach. Listen to me. We are talking about bank issue. So why do you want to take his life? Just like that, you take his life and it's over. No, that is not the solution. So you need to, know what to do before it is too late.
Baby, you want to leave this country?
I have to go back to the States.
You see, I don't know. If like that is the case, I suggest maybe make you leave your brother, make you go. Because keeping him over there, we dey feed him every day and night. Baby, it's not good to keep somebody over there. Allow him to go.
But last time I was telling you that we are not supposed to leave any trace. So why are you telling me that we should leave that fucking man to go scot-free over my dead body? Zach, I know where you are coming from. And let me tell you, don't mess with me. If you mess with me, mess with them. There will be exchange of fire.
Baby, see me for trouble, baby. Don't start it though. If you started me, Mama is crazy. I go start though. See, I want to free you. My boss is coming this place. I don't want to do everything to free yourself. I've done my work. Don't do any shakala things for you.
I thought you were going to free me so that we go together.
See, you start again. No? I'm trying to help you. You are making this thing.
Okay.
So please do everything to free yourself. I've lost this thing.
Okay. What about the other guy?
Don't worry about the other guy. I have a second boss. The other guy, leave him for me, okay? I will do justice. I'll be sacked. Don't worry, I will see you. Boss is coming, so do exactly,
asema bibebusa no kama kran kwana ni here nothing but the truth se enkontompo bibemu a eno mienu ebeye basa kama kran kwa Bia minya no di hia ampese bi busa asa wo wen
do fie die we ya kai me yawo kan ya be o kan yin se na matete aparise mu kan so kwa so ba kunya terrible accident na basana na nko ni nyabisi yes, so rest in perfect peace.
Hey, who chantro? Come in, say be a druid. Come correct, come catch it. He say you are on a gun point. The house will chow contempodia. Then you mean dear what here? Me say when you are bad. A day and a week. Come correct me.
The crew me and said a Japanese beto. No me a very fucking tension. The wa mame. And the coin me. Na wumi ameba na wudwane me. Come here, bra. Sister.
Bla.
It's okay, sir. Me who say who swan na me raho. Sister. Na ejapade we nyina ho kwa wo de yede.
Why? If I ain't that mean you baby.
So mom and papa do jam me. Come here. It's okay, sister. Sister. I'm so happy. You see, I didn't actually say me jam or some free police form, some match me.
Come on, and papa, and I grab a new woman. Why, but Jenny?
It's all one someone you. And I used to say, come in Democrat, who fears you, maybe you said, I don't know what to upon what you say. My Jamanaka. Come here. It's okay, Jesus.
We are wicked, Ankasa. We are wicked, very wicked. Why wouldn't you have bad? Who brought you? Now, what fasten us away?
What fasten us away? So, come back,
Kaswa yenya media ya woke kanini na enokre yimano wo fasa no ono ane me ya.
No, it can't be. Please, it's possible. I strangled him. Me and Bunu come we grab a castle with you try and we are buying a good so. And the uproar, you can be the one with me, mother.
Bebano, says I was say,
Auntie, missing Yabutre. So, you're coughing the afternoon, I'll be your hospital, you could fit in Yabutre. Oh, be any what in Yabutre, what they do for you.
That is the rumor is hopping. No. That is around our house. Ajama Bediakon. Brock Street.
Which house number?
The number is Brock 5302.
The color of the house?
That's the motion color. Motion.
Okay, we are selling the tax force there right now. So wait for us. Don't go anywhere, right? We'll be there.
I beg you, no. If you not come somebody will kill somebody now. Huh? Don't say take your time, oh.
Nokre. Ubu mikum. We ye de obeye. Na said ye. Abobi chi Joseph nso na wonwu ye no. Sa na esi. said the bay over GD. Abra, we had dear ones and some way Japadia ones and some make Kaiwa some. Yanchawagotum. We know 3D more and also and I will buy a baba kum one cassa. Unyamba, a young mammy. She is furious. And in some can no one know. I could go by me near Jaminian. That's how show me most had a question, baby. Boomy come now, show you the good so. We jam the hole. We jam the hole.
Miss Round, a crowd of who are catching what say,
Auntie. Monsieur Omui, Obano Mui, or
me no be yeah, Brago.
Oh, Auntie, where's an Amira?
Oh, quite well, over.
Auntie, Monsieur de now, throw the new fee.
We come up Vasa. We come up Vasa.
No one's on a massa and quanko.
Na mene nam my yomo bo piano kura mi bi na bedi no koda bant makakra ma be da ashtown kakra nam sa on ko hia obi yesu yankopon de ogboni freni a pon poma ko hia di pakro no sano no so oniba na kwantu kwa bi ma me me wo ho ni nyina na wo na me no kasa no o so ye busuo ni pa I never knew so wo did it so na me no kasa no
Esa me blaba wifa kacha me blaba wifa how many minutes almost 1 hour me blaba me blaba ma ba ade ne ka ne se ni pa bia ni me pedi o ye no Would you need me crack? Would I say one man blame myself? Or be to my mate said your baby?
Bakwesi. So bra, oni ha an kalikatia. Ha?
What an a case and any pen.
Tia bra, they was share me woo ye. I'm a buy and I'm baba 2 of yan. And when who said Bonusuma, Wafa, we be bushy and me, I would dish your prepare. But here, Sako Croman Ferry, so what told him also for so just our to a better. I'll kill you.
Auntie. Hey!
Only one hour. Okay.
What's a man for potato? Black.
Young boy, huh? Jack. Jack, oh no, Jack. Zach, why? Did you to find?
Now, didn't you know him so didn't to find out, Mama?
Papa, your chance I met you.
When him says, "Come here, treasure," and now about the fun. Me now would throw him.
You bet me now would touch it. Me now would touch it. Yeah, it's okay.
When him so,
okay. Everything is inside there. Cool. So, are you trying to tell me that what we are about to do will work for us?
What I'm saying now is very true. I went inside the room. I carried knife on my back. I want to do blood covenant. Is it like we do?
Where I carry really?
As soon as I bring the knife and I refuse, say no, I no could do. As he say, the man is very serious, baby. Baby, trust me. This thing will work.
Anyway, you know, I've already told you everything. You know, I have a genuine reason for sure, but I can't take the law into my hands. So right now, we need to be smarter before we create a mess. That's why I'm asking you, that is it gonna work for us the second time?
What is bothering my mind is your side though. Me, I don't have any problem. I don't have any pessoa. But your side where I die afraid though, baby.
If you say so, I'm cool.
You are cool. Okay, then I want to go inside and then we will meet at their place. We should finish everything, make one, we'll meet there.
Me, I would this year prepare. But here, Sapuquaman Ferry. So what told you so for so just I want to a better. I'll kill you.
Let's go! Come on, guys! Get it! Go! KAMAFO. Oba kufu konwo dancing in the way.
Send us one now. Mo fani ko.
Ajinyamyo. Bi manu biara enye.
O KAMAFO asa.
Era the one I'm Gaza. Adifanya mi Gaza. Ewan Gaza. Mayemo. Hey. Bibi. KAMAFO ni wo.
Mini adofo wo tie me. Yeah, and say wouldn't be bushing your letters. Why no KAMAFO? Asa. Oh, a softball production. We are some and no more Big Mario. Yeah, Bonnie. Wouldn't be bushing or the others. My grand now comes to us somewhat. I didn't Papa, would you mount this and not a who sang with you cry and do we are living in crazy world. Oh, come on, brother. For me, and why? And you're talking in a fire, it's a sign, it's to me too.
Mimenkuma mi twerɛ yenu ma bramo no ma anye bɔne na so obi ye bɔne a ye wo twigyinafo bi agya no nkyɛn ɔne ɔtreneni Yesu Kristo na ɔno ne yɛn bɔne hu mpata na ɛnyɛ yɛn de ho nko na mmom wiase nyinaa de ho bi na so yedi na hyɛde so a ɛno ara ne yɛde hunu sɛ yeni no de ɔkasa minini no na onni na hyɛde so no yɛ ɔtrofo na nokora no nini mu na obiara odi nasem so no ampara ɔno mu na Nyankopɔn dɔ na wie pɛyɛ ye na yedi hunu sɛ yɛwɔ ne mu de ɔkasa ɔti ne mu no ɛsɛ no sɛ ɔnante sɛ de ɔno nso nante yɛ adɔfo ɛnyɛ ahyɛde foforo na metwerɛ ma bramo na mmom ahyɛde dada a moanyɛ firi mfitiaseɛ no ahyɛde dada no ne asɛm a moatie no bio metwerɛ ahyɛde foforo ma bramo a ɛnokore wɔ ɔno ne mu sɛ esum twam na nokora ha no anya ehyiren.
Actually,
and you call what my that's what I am.
What did you am?
What it's in ya?
Makuchia.
Mura, sit here and you must take a quenya. And see if I come information for me.
I will quite ill.
Woman now to me with your panel.
The confirmation center. Besides, I did see a Mary Yako telling us and your figure one day. Me go show us information. Scour and way. So,
hey,
Fia, a sack of Crumobio. There's a bushman in your corner, Prince.
This our time na one mimi and paper be fear say na say wo fa na asoma say mumra me seduce me mum plot mo black ni mail me kwa so me chimi anti on say ebo nso nsuo be yogo de nso na asha wona me ni kwa kasa ka kira wo say me yam fa me ni agro Tinta so to form and fasabe me touch them and fanfa me no what in kanya kasa kansanse we say e pia bontena I swear to God
I'll kill you. Mommy, Chacho.